The OrCam Read 3 can be used as a magnifier. To set up the magnifier, browse to cast.orcam.com. Sign up to create an account or log in to your existing one. Connect your device to any Windows or Mac computer using a USB cable. Place the OrCam Read 3 device on the provided stand. Place a book or a piece of paper with text beneath the OrCam Read 3. Hang on while the device connects to your computer. The connection might take a few seconds. Use the plus and minus buttons on the screen to zoom in and out. Use the rotate button to rotate the image 90 degrees. To change the contrast, press the T button. Note that there are more contrast options available under the Settings menu. Press the uppercase A, lowercase a button to extract the text from the image. Press the book icon on the right side of the bottom bar. Press the play button to listen to the text being read aloud.
Expanding on freedom and creativity, experimentation, to a 14th century castle in Maastricht, Belgium. Here, Tim and his colleagues brought video conferencing, video product.
To change the language, voices, play speed, contrast settings, and other settings, press the cog icon to open the magnifier settings screen.
Sample text.